episode 2. So now we're at 98% and then it's 6 o'clock and we are generating a lot of energy today. So it's 98. So now I'm switching on to my car inverter. So this is okay, 11 or 12 ampere running at 2.8 kilowatt at 240 watt. Okay, this one. So this one connects to a 3-pin 13 ampere plug that goes to a cable connector and to my charger. So this charger is running at 12.4 ampere. Okay, so 13 ampere max. 13 ampere. So this cable charge the car. So the speed is only 2.8. 2.8. Okay, 2.8. So now my plan is how do we increase the charge, because this is 5 kilowatt inverter. 5 kilowatt or something like that. It's 5 kilowatt inverter. So I need to change, upgrade this to a 20 ampere. So I can get probably a 5 kilowatt, 4.8 or kilowatt or almost 5 kilowatt. So how do I do that? So I need to remove this one. So I will connect it to a newly bought 3-pin 32 ampere. 32 ampere, I probably need a 8 to 10 kilowatt inverter, which I haven't upgraded, still a 5. So although it's 32, but I need gonna use 16. How much does this cost? 32 ampere 3-pin wall socket. 11 ringgit. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so now this is the current one. Later we see how it goes. Okay, now we're at the output. Okay, output here, the load. So there's two. One of it goes out to the channel to supply my kitchen, dryer, aircon, and also washing machine. The other one, I put big cable here, 4mm. So to connect here. If you notice, there's only 2 wires. So meaning there's no earth. There's no earthing. So there's no earthing. That's dangerous. So now I need to do a earthing to connect even for this to go in. Where is it? Okay, this cable to go all the way here and then relay back all the way until you can see the earthing wire they connect to the grid to go all the way down. So that's how I do my earthing. So over here I need to connect a earthing wire from this one here, or basically here lah, this one with the earthing wire. So there's a lock here. Here. You can see here, this is a simple, although it's a 3-pin, it's actually a 3-pin plug. So you have a neutral, live or hot wire, and an earth. So see, okay. Okay, here I must admit I got the fetish. This is a 4mm wire, copper wire, so about 20 amps. This one, if I'm not mistaken, 6mm. So when I fix it, I'm a bit ambitious. Big is good, so I put a very big one. So now I realize that it's actually not necessary. But anyways, big is good lah. Okay, so I started to switch on the inverter. So this is still loading up. So this is still a 13 ampere max. So let's see. So now it's 2.8. So before I close up, so I'm just checking the wiring is working. Okay, fair enough, good enough. So hold on. Let me switch this up to 20 and see. Okay, I load up my inverter, I remove the charger. So now it's 13 ampere max. So I put it to 16, 20, okay, 20 ampere. So it's not plugged in. Yes, of course it's not plugged in. Hold on, I'll switch on this. Okay, now I switch it to 20, so now it's loading up. So starting up. Okay, let's see. 35. 20 ampere max. .5 kilowatt. From a 2.8 now 4.5. So 18 ampere. Okay. Let's see. Charging power still loading up. This vehicle supports shared charging. Okay. So don't know. Not written. Wait. Not check. Let me check. Cannot charge with me in the car, is it? Let me charge first. Ampere. So let's see. Just now it took some time to load up. So you see now it's not 2.8. So now it's 4.1. Okay. So probably 30 to 40% of the speed. Okay. Now later I close up all the cables.